Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today we're embarking on an enthralling journey that revolves around the remarkable capabilities of artificial intelligence and how it can revolutionize your social media presence. This video isn't just about creating engaging content, it's about leveraging the incredible potential of AI to make your content more compelling and help you generate income in the process. The rise of AI in social media. The social media landscape is in a perpetual state of evolution. In this dynamic environment, AI has emerged as a transformative force, offering creators like you a powerful toolkit to stand out in the crowd. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are inundated with content. To distinguish yourself, innovation is essential, and AI offers precisely that edge. In this chapter, we'll take an in-depth look at the ascendancy of AI in the realm of social media. From trend analysis to automating repetitive tasks, AI is reshaping how we approach social media. AI-powered algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data, identifying emerging trends in real time. This capability empowers you to tailor your content to what's hot and relevant, ensuring your videos capture the attention of your target audience. Moreover, AI has the potential to help you understand your audience better. It can analyze user data, providing insights into demographics, interests, and behaviors. Armed with this knowledge, you can create content that resonates more effectively with your viewers, increasing engagement and building a loyal following. Creating stunning content with AI. The essence of social media success lies in crafting visually appealing and engaging content. This is where AI becomes your creative partner. AI-powered video editing tools can elevate the quality of your videos to professional standards regardless of your editing expertise. We'll delve into the myriad advantages of employing AI-driven video editing software. These tools automate various aspects of video production, from color correction to suggesting imaginative transitions and even refining audio quality. AI ensures that your content not only stands out, but captivates your audience from start to finish, resulting in increased views, likes, shares, and ultimately revenue. But AI's role in content creation goes beyond video editing. It can assist in generating graphics, animations, and even entire video scripts. This automation not only speeds up the content creation process, but also maintains consistency and quality across your videos. Leveraging AI for content ideas. One of the most common challenges faced by content creators is consistently generating fresh, captivating ideas. AI is your solution. We'll explore how AI assists you in identifying trending topics, generating innovative video concepts, and even predicting future trends through data analysis. Say farewell to creative blocks, and hello to a continuous stream of fresh, relevant content ideas tailored to your audience's preferences. AI-driven content generation tools analyze user data and online behaviors to suggest content ideas that resonate with your target audience. This not only streamlines your content creation process, but maximizes your chances of creating viral content that drives traffic and engagement. Additionally, AI can help you analyze the performance of your existing content. By examining viewer engagement metrics, AI can pinpoint which topics and formats are resonating most with your audience, helping you refine your content strategy. Optimizing videos for engagement. Engagement is the lifeblood of social media success, and AI can supercharge it. We'll delve into how AI analyzes your audience's behavior, tracks performance metrics, and provides actionable insights to enhance engagement. Whether it's crafting attention-grabbing video titles and descriptions, or generating captions that resonate with your viewers, AI empowers you to create content that not only captures but retains your audience's attention. Furthermore, AI can assist in A/B testing different elements of your content, allowing you to refine your approach based on data-driven insights. This iterative process can continuously improve engagement metrics, building a loyal and engaged community around your content. AI can also help you optimize the timing of your content. By analyzing when your audience is most active on social media, AI can suggest the best times to publish your videos, ensuring they reach the maximum number of viewers. Monetizing your AI-powered videos. Now let's dive into the thrilling world of monetization. We'll explore various strategies, including sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and ad revenue, all of which can transform your passion for video creation into a lucrative venture. With AI-enhanced videos that draw in a larger, more engaged audience, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals and enjoying the fruits of your creative labor. AI also plays a crucial role in optimizing your monetization strategies. It provides insights into audience behavior, helping you identify the most profitable opportunities and niches within your content. By understanding your audience better, you can tailor your monetization approach to align with their preferences, resulting in higher conversion rates and revenue. The future of AI and social media. As AI technology continues to advance, its influence on social media will only become more pronounced. We'll touch on some thrilling possibilities, from AI-driven personalization that tailors content to individual user preferences, to augmented reality integration that immerses viewers in entirely new experiences. Staying at the forefront of these developments will provide you with a significant advantage in the increasingly competitive social media landscape. For instance, AI could enable content creators to offer hyper-personalized experiences to their viewers, leading to higher engagement and consequently increased revenue. AI-driven virtual reality experiences may become a new frontier for content creation, opening up even more monetization opportunities. Moreover, AI may play a pivotal role in combating issues such as fake news and misinformation on social media. By using AI to detect and flag false or misleading content, platforms can create a more trustworthy and user-friendly environment, which in turn benefits content creators by fostering trust with their audience. Practical tips and tools. To conclude, we'll provide practical tips and recommend a selection of AI tools that can jumpstart your journey into AI-powered social media video creation and editing. We'll cover options suitable for every budget and level of expertise, ensuring that you have the resources you need to embark on this exciting endeavor with confidence. These tools may include AI-powered video editors, content idea generators, audience analytics platforms, and more. We'll guide you through the process of integrating these tools into your content creation workflow, helping you make the most of AI's potential. For example, if you're new to AI-powered video editing, we'll suggest user-friendly and cost-effective tools that can help you get started without a steep learning curve. On the other hand, if you're an advanced user, we'll recommend more sophisticated AI solutions to take your content creation to the next level. AI is a formidable game changer for anyone seeking to make money by creating and editing social media videos. By harnessing the power of AI, you can elevate the quality of your content, supercharge engagement, and unlock new streams of revenue. So are you ready to dive headfirst into the exhilarating world of AI-driven social media success? Your journey starts now, and with the right tools and strategies, your potential for success is limitless. We want to express our heartfelt gratitude for joining us today on this enlightening odyssey through the intersection of AI and social media. If you found this video informative and engaging, remember to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and in the meantime, keep creating and editing with the incredible power of AI by your side. Your social media success story is just beginning, and with AI as your ally, the possibilities are limitless. Thank you for being part of our community, and together, we'll explore the ever-evolving frontier of AI-powered social media content creation.